you guys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Wednesday. It's like 9 o'clock right now. I actually got up at 8 o'clock. I set my alarm for the first time finally since all this has happened, and got up at a decent time, and I feel really good about it. It's not fun having to set an alarm before you go to bed when you don't like have to get up a certain time, but I feel a lot better having gotten up, and I just need to get my sleep schedule back on track. So I feel like this is the first step to doing that. But this morning I'm gonna try out a new kind of coffee. If you guys are just as obsessed with TikTok as I am, you guys have probably seen the whipped coffee. I see it like almost every time that I get on TikTok, and it looks so good. So I went to go make it the other day and realized that you need instant coffee instead of coffee grounds, which we have coffee grounds, we don't have instant coffee. So we ran to the store and we got some instant coffee to try to make this whipped coffee with, because it looks so good. So we're gonna try and make some whipped coffee this morning and hope that it turns out good, because I'm really hoping it looks so good. It looks so good. So I'm hoping it turns out okay. Whoops. Didn't realize I opened that already. So you do 2 tablespoons of coffee, but I'm gonna do 4 because I'm making some for me and Eddie. I'm just gonna double the recipe for everything. 3 and 4. Then you do 2 tablespoons of sugar, but I'm doing 4 since I'm making some for Eddie and I. And then you do 2 tablespoons of water, but like I said, I'm doubling. This is kind of what it looks like. It does not look very good. And then you just whisk. All right, I got our glasses with ice. We're gonna put some milk in it. I think you just like fill it up like a regular glass of milk. Milk in that one. Milk in that one. I'm adding just a splash of cream, so this is the cookie butter cream that I love. Just a splash. Okay, so this is what the coffee looks like after we whipped it. It worked much better with the hand mixer as opposed to just whisking it, and then it's just supposed to form like stiff peaks. So we have our whipped coffee. You guys, this looks so good. Look at it. Doesn't it look good?
I want a cup where I can see it all.
You got a cup where you can see it.
Oh, thank you.
Yours just isn't as cute as mine. Okay, hold on. We have to mix it up. We have to mix it up first.
That's really good. Wow.
I would have never thought that would work, but this is so good. Really good. The texture of it, like it still has that texture when you drink it. You guys, really this is so good. Yeah. We're gonna start making this more often.
I'm surprised.
Yeah, so am I. You guys need to try this at home. It is so good. I am so impressed. I'm so excited to sit and drink my coffee now. So I'm gonna sit on the couch, drink my cup of coffee, maybe watch a YouTube video or 2 this morning and just hang out before I get up. That's kind of been my little routine, is to hang out and catch up on some YouTube videos in the morning. So I'm gonna drink my yummy, delicious whipped coffee and catch up on some YouTube videos. I seriously cannot get over how good this is, you guys. You need to try it. I've been working on some homework for a little bit. I'm working on my math class. I have my math class tomorrow, so I've been trying to get that work done. We have some readings that I finish, and then we have to do like a lesson plan, even though we can't teach it, which we were supposed to teach it, but since we're not in the classroom, obviously we can't teach it, but we still have to like do the planning and stuff. My professor planned most of it. We just have to like go in and like personalize it basically, and just like add some things just so that we see what a lesson plan would be like. I'm in 3rd grade for my placement, but it was like a little bit complicated, I guess. So I'm actually doing like a first grade lesson plan, which I think is cool because I'm not very familiar with anything first graders do because I'm in third grade. That's what I've been seeing. So it's kind of cool to get to see like a different grade and how different it is and stuff, especially because first grade is a lot different than third grade. So that's just what I've been working on for the last little bit. I have on my blue light glasses, which I really think help a ton, and my sweatshirt that I've literally been living in. I will have it linked down in the description box below. I posted on Instagram this morning, but we raised almost $300 already, which is so exciting. I'm so happy. We did it together. I'm just so proud. So if you guys do want to get it, literally, I have been living in mine. It is so soft, so comfy. It's like the best thing to just throw on when you're lounging around the house. So I'll have that linked down in the description box below in case you guys want to go check it out. But I'm gonna get up now because I'm so hungry. It's 12:30 and I just realized I have not eaten anything yet today. I'm so hungry. Where did you go, Eddie? I have been loving this quarantine time because Eddie just cooks me food all the time. Do you not cook me food all the time? Show him your glasses. He has the matching pair to my glasses. Hi! You're so cute. Thank you. That has been one thing that I've really liked about being home is that Eddie cooks me a lot of food. Also, I saw something on Instagram where it said, like, if you and your fiance can make it through this quarantine together, where you're together like 24/7 for a lot of weeks and a lot of days, then you're destined to be married, right?
I guess.
It is interesting though, having us both be home all the time. My babies, huh? What do you think about it? Have you been enjoying it?
It's alright.
It is kind of fun, huh? We've been working out together. I've been working out really hard. I've been doing really good, right?
You've been alright.
I've been pretty good.
Not bad.
I've been pretty good at working out. This is literally the most random lunch I've ever thrown together, but I just pretty much put a bunch of stuff together. So I have a banana, I have some chickpeas, tomato with some salt and pepper on it, some little chips. So I just have a little roll with some turkey and Swiss cheese on it. That's my little lunch. I'm gonna try and drink another one of these. I've been trying to drink all of the water since I can. I'm not as good about it as I once was, but I'm trying to be better about that again. So I'm gonna eat my lunch and then probably get back to some schoolwork. I just got a package in the mail from Target. I had quite a few things. I've been doing a lot of online shopping lately. It is not good for my bank account, but it's fine getting us through this quarantine time. I got some lounge clothes, which I'll show you guys in another vlog, but I got a new oil diffuser, which I am super pumped about. I've been so into oils and stuff. I just think it's really relaxing. So I got this one from Target. It's much bigger than the one that I have now. I think this will diffuse for like 8 or 9 hours, so like a full day, as opposed to mine right now only diffuses for like maybe 3 or 4 hours. So I got a big one. First off, it's just like the cutest little oil diffuser ever. How cute is this? I love it. But I just wanted to get a bigger one because mine, that noise is really obnoxious, that I have at my desk, it only really smells up the little area in my desk. It doesn't smell up my whole room. And I really want my whole room to smell good. So I got this big oil diffuser. I need to find a spot for it and put my oils in it. I'm so excited. Let's try and figure out where in the world we should put this. I was thinking of my dresser somewhere, but I feel like my style is like changing a little bit. Like I don't really like what I have on my dresser right now, but I also don't really want to buy new things just because, I don't know, I know I'll like completely redo my dresser once Eddie and I move out, so I don't want to completely redo it now and then redo it again in like probably a year from now. I just feel like it's a different vibe, you know? So let's see if we put it, I wonder if I just get rid of this and then put this right here. Does that still look cute? It's a little while later. My camera battery died in the middle of me talking, so I had to charge that for a little bit. But I just put on my workout clothes. I have on these leggings. I've had these for forever, and then I threw on, this is my old hoodie. You can hardly see the logo, but this is like an old merch hoodie that I had. I just threw my hair up, and Eddie and I are gonna go work out. I need my Apple Watch, actually. I've been trying to wear this so that we can see how long we go for. So we'll probably go for a little like walk / run, and then he actually is planning our little, I don't know if we'll do like a full body workout or like a HIIT workout outside. I'm not sure what we'll do. We waited until it was later because it was super rainy earlier, but sun is finally out and ground is dry. So we should be good to do a workout outside, which I've been really excited about. I've been really liking doing workouts outside. So I'm all ready to go. Let me show you guys over here real quick since you didn't really get to see it before my camera battery died. So I have my oil diffuser going. It smells so good. I love it already. It is so much more fragrant than my little one was, and I just think it's so cute over there. I'm not like sold on how I have this done. I just moved some stuff around, so this is kind of what it looks like. I took some of my other stuff down. Eventually I'll do it a little bit nicer, but for now it's fine. I think it's cute. I'm just happy about my oil diffuser.
What's going on here?
I'm working out. We're working out.
But I'm talking about this one right here. What are you doing?
Keep working out. You're getting a workout too.
Yeah.
Right? 1, 2.
Look, put it down.
3.
He's saying save me. Save me from this crazy lady.
It is way later now. Don't mind my wrinkled pajamas because it was shoved in the bottom of my drawer. I should definitely figure out a better way to organize my PJs during this time, but we'll do that later. But Eddie and I worked out, we ate dinner, I got showered off, I was helping my brother with some stuff, so it's been a little while, but I feel all nice and clean. I'm going to get ready to go into bed. I still have to finish some of my math lesson for tomorrow. It's due, so I might work on that a little bit tonight. I might just like work on it in bed for a tiny bit and then finish it up tomorrow morning. I don't really think that it'll take that long, so it's not that big of a deal. I feel like this vlog was kind of all over the place, but I also feel like that's just kind of how life is right now. So anyway, that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys are all staying super safe. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.